Hey there, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear the system cache and the user cache from Mac computer. So whatever the applications you use on your Mac, it will save a cache file which will help in speeding up the application process. However, this cache can also create the problem. So in such cases, you can clear the cache from your Mac computer. So there are two different sections here. One is the local user cache and another is the computer cache. So first we'll go to the computer cache. For that, open the Finder, and within the Finder, in the menu bar, you can go to folders, and here you need to type /library/cache and open that. So you would be able to see these different folders here. Now what you need to do is you need to individually visit these folders and delete the files within it, not the folder. So say suppose I go to the desktop and then I will delete this folder. Or maybe I can just go inside this folder and see if there is anything. If there is nothing, then I can delete this folder. Similarly, I can go to another folder like this one. I do not have permission. So these folders I do not have permissions. I can visit this folder. There is nothing inside, and even there is nothing inside. So the cache file is already cleared. And once you have cleared, you can just close it. And next thing is you need to do is you need to go to the user level cache files. So for that, again click on the Go command and select Go to folder. Now instead of writing directly a library cache, what you need to do is you need to first add title symbol and then type in library and then cache. Open that and it will display the all of the application cache for the user. So what you can do is you can individually visit the folder, these folders, and delete the cache from it. So I'll just go into this promotion. There is nothing inside. Or I can go to this Apple TV here and I can see there are a lot of cache files here, cache DB something. So what I will do, I'll just simply delete this and move to trash. So this way you can individually visit the folder and remove the cache files for both users as well as the system level cache. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.